Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit YouTube video on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on Capcut, and we can add a video we want to add it using Capcut. And for example, I'm just going to add a video from this folder or this album. I'm just going to pick random videos from here. I'm going to create, for example, like slideshow video, and I'm going to click on add. Okay, now the video has been added to my project, and then I'm going to cut the video. Guys, I'm going to create like slideshow, so I just need short duration. Okay, I'm just going to split it and delete the video. Okay, for the YouTube video guys, don't forget to change the aspect ratio. You can go to the aspect ratio right here, and then you can choose 16:9. Okay, this is the suitable ratio for YouTube video. Alright, and usually we need intro for our YouTube. If you need intro, you can go to the Capcut library, click on this plus icon, and then go to the library and select the intro and end. And for my intro, I'm just going to choose, wait guys, for example, I'm going to choose this loading intro. Okay, and then I'm just going to make it faster. I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and I think I need sound effect, so I'm going to go to the audio and then select sound effects, and I'm just going to search loading sound. Okay guys, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one like this. Okay, and then if you want to add transition, you can click on this icon, and I'm going to add transition again from the Capcut library. I'm going to click on this plus button, and I'm going to go to the library and select transition, and I'm just going to use, for example, this transition. Okay, and let's see. Okay, and I'm going to add transition here as well, like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to create like a slideshow, and then you can apply filter or apply effect to your video if you want. I'm going to go to the effect to apply video effect. I'm going to choose, wait, sorry, I'm going to choose light effect, for example. I'm gonna choose light effect for my video. Okay, this one. Make sure you have good internet connection to download the effect. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply this effect to all my videos. Alright. Okay guys, and basically you just need to add it as creative as you can and according to your needs. And then you can add music, like background music. Just go to the audio and then select sounds, and you're going to select background music from Capcut, or you can add your own background music, and I'm just going to pick random background music. Okay, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit YouTube video using Capcut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.